Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to fix YouTube something went wrong error message. So sometimes YouTube might not work, and when that happens, the first thing we have to do is check if we are connected to the internet. And if we check and we're connected and it doesn't work, what we do is open our app library, search for settings, open up settings, select apps, then see all apps, then we'll go down and search for YouTube, then select YouTube, then look for an option that says storage and cache. Then next, what we'll do is select the button that says clear cache. So the cache has been cleared and this should fix the error message. If this doesn't work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the YouTube app. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.